Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my amazing channel. That's a joke. I'm still trying to grow the channel, so I appreciate any interactions. So if you like and comment, that'd be appreciated. But you can tell by the title today, guys, this tutorial is going to show you how to get free Nintendo Switch games. This uses a simple eShop code that's going to remove the cost of any Nintendo Switch game that you add to your basket in the eShop. And it's super easy, guys. It takes just around 5 to 10 minutes to get your unique eShop code for a free Nintendo Switch game. So let me get into the tutorial. You're going to need to use your mobile phone, so make sure you have that to hand and of course have an internet connection. So let me share my screen. So you should now see my mobile phone screen here. So just copy all of the steps that I will show you. So open up an internet browser on your phone and go to this website, www.speedycoupons.com. Oops, make sure you spell it correctly. You can copy how I've typed it here because you need to make sure you do go to the correct website. And this website is pretty awesome. I found them a few months ago, and as a result, they've saved me probably almost $1,000 at this point, but yeah. Go to the search bar at the top, type in Nintendo, and you're looking for this Nintendo gift cards and codes page. You can see the Nintendo logo as well as like the orange logo. So click on that page to open it up. So this is the page you need to find, guys. Now, if you scroll down, you can see there are a few different options. You can choose between gift cards, Switch Online, but there is also the free game code. That's what we're interested in. So you can see here, it says any game for free from the Nintendo eShop. Apologies, guys. So you essentially add a game to the basket and apply the code you're going to get here, and it's going to remove the cost. So click on Show Coupon, and you can see here, we need to unlock the code, guys. This is the code, but you can see it is sort of protected. This basically prevents people from basically coming on and stealing all of the codes. So tap Unlock Code. And we have to complete a short process to unlock our eShop code. So you can see it says Nintendo eShop code unlocker. And we need to follow the instructions on this page, and it's pretty easy. It says here, complete 2 of the free app survey offers below. And we need to follow the instructions below each task. So, pretty easy. We need to select 2 tasks on this page and essentially complete the steps and follow the instructions. So you can see I have a list of tasks here. These can range from download and play in free games and completing certain levels. So you can see the top one says level 8, this one says level 10, and that one says level 5. So you just make sure you complete what it asks you to do. Alternatively, you can even do some free surveys that you have to enter in information and just answering quick questions. So I'm going to go ahead and complete 2 tasks, guys. I'll pause the video. So it's not too long. I can see we're already at almost 4 minutes. So yeah, let me do these and then I'll come back. Okay, guys, so I've just returned and it took me around 5 to 10 minutes to complete 2 of these tasks. I went ahead and I completed this survey. I had to answer some questions and then input my valid and correct email address. And then I also just completed this one at the top where I had to download this game, and then I had to complete level 8. So pretty easy. It just takes around 5 to 10 minutes depending which tasks you choose. So yeah, once you've fully completed 2, following all of the instructions, when you go to your tabs, you should now see this Nintendo Coupons tab down here. That has my game code. So this is going to provide me any game for free. So like I said, I can simply add a game to the basket in the eShop, apply this code, and it's going to remove the cost of it. So I'm going to be using this code in a few minutes, so this is going to be invalid by the time you're watching this video. So you're going to need to get your own code at speedycoupons.com. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you found it useful, leave a comment below and also like the video because it really does help the channel grow.